Wow, very nice. The back is crazy.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Huge.
Yeah.
I thought the Lexus was big. It's not as big as this by a long way.
No, it look like it's a big. It's a big. Yeah.
It's like a... Just for a day driving that.
Look at that. It's so crazy. The body. Wow.
I'm right on the border.
I did nothing. I just got a few bottles of stuff.
It's ridiculous.
Mustang, one of the most iconic American cars. A real muscle car, real fast.
You can stand. I can take picture with you.
It's an old Rolls Royce. What a gorgeous front.
What? This one?
Behind, no, here, behind you. This
Ah, that one?
Yeah, Rolls Royce.
Ah, that the one the most the.
The top, that's the top car. Top car in the UK.
Wow.
The thing is, to me, there's so many cars. A lot of people have bought fairly recent, a drive on the road.
Wow.
Small it is. If Picky was in that, I don't know where you'd go. Perhaps.
No, they had at the back.
You'd have to go on the back.
Ah, the engine.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow.
Too big to get over.
Yeah. For sure. Oh. Wow. That one, they had green over there. Oh.
Look at all this cars everywhere. God, the wheels of this.
Wow.
I didn't know there was this many people.
It's a lot of that on the water. It's ridiculous. It's hardly to choose which mask because it looks a lot.
You know, you can't decide where to go.
Ah.
Volvo and all that.
Wow. That's a really fantastic.
You want to follow? You want to?
Yeah.
You want to? This one.
Take a. Wow.
Both of them. Can you imagine
Yeah.
using our
Huh?
I think that's a Ford Anglia. I used to have it is. I used to have one. That was one of me. Was my second car.
And why you sell?
I wanted a better car.
It's better. That's much better.
That's all dolled up. Mine was just ordinary. Look how small it is. Mine was small.
But this look very nice.
It was a nice car to drive. Me as a kid, I was what? I can't get in.
Wow. It's crazy. Look at the exhaust. Slide down. Oh. I can't take picture with it. Wow, that one, oh, really tiny. Look at this.
MG, which one MG-MGF, that'd be an MG-MGB. GT or an A, that's ancient.
Wow. Fantastic. That one, oh.
No, I don't know what that is.
Oh, yes. That's crazy. Ah. That what? You want to take picture this? It look like you can able to take picture. Yeah, for sure they have people bring that.
I just take a vid.
Yeah. Look at this. Very low. Oh,
I
look
don't know
at
what it is, isn't it? I don't know.
eh?
TV.
Wow.
Imagine the coach. Imagine going out in that just for one day,
Yeah.
driving around it.
Take a video of this. You have to walk in there.
Ours was alright.
The
The BM. I think anything over probably 25 years now is called a classic.
where is the other one here? It's look really crap that one. That one, why they show that one or the yellow?